and sweet, with coal smoke rolling from the stacks and fires burning heat.
The whistles sing, the ground it shakes, the crowd begins to cheer. The past comes roaring back, the best days of the year.
Coal smoke in the morning, rolling through the sky. Engines roar and tractors pull as the parades roll by. From horsepower to iron might, the stories all come true. At the western Minnesota steam threshers, we'll keep the past brand new. The great steam train is rolling, black smoke trails behind. Children wave with wonder as the whistle echoes back.
Stationary engines hum, their flywheels turning free. Echoes of another time, the way it used to be.
Coal smoke in the morning, rolling through the sky. Engines roar and tractors pull as the parades roll by. From horsepower to iron might, the stories all come true. At the western Minnesota steam threshers, we'll keep the past brand new.
Tractors pulling wagons, steady, proud and strong, running with tradition where the past still carries on.
The food is hot and hearty with laughter in the air. Generations gathered with memories to share. Every day the parade rolls on, tractors rumble past.
Farmers, cases, Olivers rolling down the path.
The old and young together with sparks of history.
These fields alive with engines sing a living legacy.
Coal smoke in the morning, rolling through the sky. Engines roar and tractors pull as the parades roll by. From horsepower to iron might, the stories all come true. At the western Minnesota steam threshers, we'll keep the past brand new. Engines rumble on, tractors rolling in the sun. In western Minnesota, the past and present's one. The sun comes up across the grounds. The air is thick and sweet, with coal smoke rolling from the
Must have had
stacks
problems keeping
and
the front end down. They've got weight
burning
stuff in the
heat.
front.
The whistles sing, the ground it shakes.
I don't know.
The crowd begins to cheer.
I guess that's a potato digger? I don't know.
Past comes roaring back, the best days of the year. Coal smoke in the morning, rolling through the sky. Engines roar and tractors pull as the parades roll by. From horsepower to iron might, the stories all come true. At the western Minnesota steam threshers, we'll keep the past brand new. The great steam train is rolling, black smoke trails behind. Children wave with wonder as the whistle echoes back. Stationary engines hum, their flywheels turning free. Echoes of another time, the way it used to be. Coal smoke in the morning, rolling through the sky. steam threshers reunion goes down.
Since 1954, we keep it real.
History runs strong on Steamer Hill. At the steam threshers reunion, the past comes alive. Whistles blow and the tractors drive, engines roar and the sawmills sing. We keep on showing what the old days bring. The steam threshers reunion, the past comes alive. Whistles blow and the tractors drive, engines roar and the sawmills sing. We keep on showing what the old days bring.
So 353 pulls a train on track. Smoke rolls high and it won't look back.
Thresher's work belt spinning around. Little ones smile at the sights they found.
Sparks fly up in the nighttime sky. Parades roll twice and the crowd walks by. Gospel singing, fiddle strong on Steamer Hill, where we all belong. At the steam threshers reunion, the past comes alive. Whistles blow and the tractors drive, engines roar and the sawmills sing. We keep on showing what the old days bring. Your stories, bring your kin. Rollag waits, let the show begin. Every whistle
What's up, the
cry,
legend of
every
Floyd
engine song
yesterday?
keeps Steamer Hill rolling on and on.
They are. Same colors over the years, I think. The newer ones are white lines like steak. Last year, the guy driving this had a broken foot. He was shot on his foot. There's my truck. All of my tractors. This Whiskey Creek Farms has a ton of stuff. Oh, when we're gonna get across. Yeah. That's just like the one that the family stole back from the museum. Yep. They figured out there was money in it and they couldn't prove that it had been donated fully. The records are all shit.